Joystick. My sister, tell me what the trouble is. I'll try to listen good and give the best advice that I can give. So, what's up with you this time? Your honey took a dive and now he's playing with your mind. Oh no, cannot be accepted. The feelings that belong to you must be protected. Hold up, I shout, get it together, sister. Tell her to be not so just a mister. It's a shame. I'm begging you to check out for your own needs. Don't let nobody see you in a state of grieving over the brother. There's another possibility. We're teaching you to work out where you went wrong. I guarantee to you that it will not take long for you to make your mind up if the two of you belong. You know where honey's head at and where he's coming from. Get it out your system. Don't be another victim. This is the nerve. Oh boy, he really picked him. What do you know? It's time for you to tell you're not sleeping. A progress report on the two of you you're keeping. Peeking through the peephole to see if honey's sneaking. You estimated right that night the other weekend. Collectively the facts should conclude the decision. You put the brother in a terrible disposition. It's a shame. This is the end, you've been kissed, listed as a dumb one. I hope he likes sad songs, he's gonna hum one. He's been a dumb and that's the way it is forever. There comes a time when you're at the end of your and you know, I think you went back beyond that. So it was bound to backtrack, attack you with an irksome vengeance as it attacks you. Making sure you get the full entire view of who's to blame at the end of the game. Things will never be the same, and it's a crime thing.
Da ist es wieder, das Baby, Baby, Baby. Für den zweiten Teil der Malta Info.